Good morning. This has been a while since I've done this. We're off to Whitby today. There was a few of us, but some of them are worried about a little bit of rain. So I think there's 3 of us going. But yeah, we're heading up into North Yorkshire and then going to Whitby, grab some fish and chips, and then head back home down the coast. That's the plan. Let's run the intro. So I haven't done a video for a while because the GoPros have royally annoyed me, to put it politely. I'm only running one camera today because I couldn't be bothered, so I thought I'd give it a go today and see how I get on. So when I went to Swindon on Teapot 1's clan meet, all the footage didn't have any audio, absolute nothing, and I couldn't be bothered because I didn't think it was worthwhile creating a video with just music overlay and a little bit of voiceover, because it doesn't have the ambience. So I've still got it, but I kind of binned it in effect as an idea. And it'd been a great video because I saw Stonehenge, the White Horse, some lovely roads, just a great weekend. And since then I haven't bothered. I have had an update on this GoPro, so I'm hoping they might have done something so this remote works a little bit better. And because this 13 is the offending one that loses connection with the remote, I thought I'll just bring that out today. Just do some single camera filming if so. So yeah, just on my way to J&S in Doncaster to meet them, and then we'll hit the road. I'm guessing I'll be navigating, given that Justin's not coming. And this is where cruise control is perfect. Average speed cameras. Right, catch you in a bit. And not even down the road, and it's just already done the connecting, trying to find it. What is going on? Who knows if this will make a video? Honestly, I have lost all confidence in GoPro, and it's just made making any sort of video an absolute chore that I just can't be bothered to do on each ride, whereas I actually really enjoy doing it. But this just makes it so hard work, and that on every ride I'm too busy trying to faff around and get that working rather than it should just work, which is why I've not filmed. Anyway, I'm moaning. Right, let's go meet them.
Good this time. I can see the leaves are smiling red and June gold. The wind starts moving in. It's like I'm living in the stories of old. Well, I can hear the poets calling out in the forest. They're wishing me well. Those bards of bygone times have gotten me on one road. I'm traveling on with 2 friends. I'm going around in 3 worlds. Have I been here before and when?
It's an adventure bike road, this.
Leaving my bag behind, it's all in my heart. Beat grows in my chest.
It's lovely around here though.
I can hear the poets writing words about us. What a story they tell. Those bards of bygone times have gotten me on one road. traveling on with two friends. We're going round in three worlds. Have we been here before and when? Give me strange lands, songs I never heard sung before.
Can't believe I've never been on this road before.
Give me warm hands, hold me when I'm feeling unsure.
Oh, we have fun, we have gates. It's got a holder. Oh! Yeah, I'll catch you up. I'm out of breath from doing that run then.
With our friends, three worlds, four winds.
See this road winding up the hill.
Butterflies when you smile and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on the wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now.
There's a corner just like this on that road from Whitby, from Pickering to Whitby. You know, with a little bridge on the corner like that.
I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh what a surprise! The thought of a kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask what it hurt to try. Just me and you. What should I do? I hope you hit me back, 'cause I can't wait to see you. Everything's a vibe. The both of us who knew how fast things became. Now it feels so great. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't.
That stone. Oh shit, oh shit. I'm looking at the fucking stone and I'm going off road. It's alright, it's just me. I was looking at that stone because it's called the Millennium Stone, and I didn't see the fucking corner and I went off road. It's good I don't mind a bit of off road. That stone was called the Millennium Stone though for some reason. And there was clearly a car park to view it.
Every possibility, oh, think about a moment where I'm lying next to you. It's like a fantasy. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise. The thought
that blue sky and sun. Yeah, it's down here. Gutfront Hotel. Must be Aidensfield Arms, that. That's the car garage. Yeah.
Thought the bottle would hold me over. It still hurt me just as bad when I got sober. Everyone around me's found a way to let it go, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't
Oh, you mean the other
control.
one?
All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can see.
Lovely fish and chips in Whitby. Can't remember where we got from. French's, something like that. But now just on the coast road from Whitby to Scarborough. Got planned on the map. There's a planned stop at Seaways. We said we'd kind of decide when we get near it if we want to stop or carry on. But so far, he says as the rain drops on his visor. Good day so far.
All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach.
Got a scooter with a sidecar. It's old Vespa. Sled me, I haven't been here for years. Just come this way all the time. From Seaways to Scarborough. Well, I am now just heading home after departing Keith and Jeff. Absolutely cracking day out. Absolutely great route. Weather's been good. I know it's damp and wet now, but the rain hasn't been that bad. It hasn't been heavy or anything. Just hit a couple of patches of it. Had a cuppa at Seaways. And now just heading home. So hopefully this has worked as a video this time. Hopefully I have audio. Who knows? Could have wasted more time talking to the camera for nothing. And I can make something out of it. So thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe, because I need to kick off the channel again because it's had a bit of a gap. But I'm hopefully back now. Well, coming up, I've got the ABR end of June, Wales end of July, Northumberland September, and then whatever in between. Talks of going to the lakes for an overnighter. Need to see when that is, because I'm busy when there's potential talking about it. But no, great ride out today, great company, great roads, and to be fair, decent weather. It's been blue skies all the way to Scarborough pretty much, and then it's just been light rain, but it's given me a chance to get the rucker wet, get the gloves wet, no issues at all. So really happy with them. So yeah, please do like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Catch you next time and ride safe.